Hello, my name is Srikanth and I am here to show you how to download and install Miniconda and NumPy on Python. First, we're going to start with Miniconda. Here you can see me searching for Miniconda downloads. The reason I'm going with Miniconda is because it's a lighter version of Anaconda and it's free. It doesn't use much space on your computer and it has basically all the information you need. I'm going to be downloading for Python 3.7 here, Miniconda Windows 64-bit. As it installs, I'll be walking you through the positives and negatives of both. Here, Miniconda is basically a version of Python that you run separately, in which it's easier for you to install stuff that you download from the net for Python. It's a more interactive version of Python, you could say. And since it's free, you can just install stuff without having to pay any extra fees like most other installers. Another one that you can use is PyCharm, which is similar and it just looks better according to me. It has a light version and a dark version, me preferring the dark version myself. Either ways, it's actually quite good to use such things because Python for newcomers will be extremely difficult to understand. For example, when I started out, I used to use Python itself, and when I initially tried to download NumPy and install it, it was just a pain for me. I'll skip forward to after I've downloaded it. All you have to do is click allow for everything, because unless you're the admin, in which case you'll have to customize. Please do it as you wish. Here it's best for you to download it stock so that it's easier for you as the admin. I'm going to keep Miniconda open here. And now we'll go searching for NumPy. You do not want this particular link, as it's quite confusing to navigate to the download site. What you need to search for is numpy.pypi. If you've downloaded the 3.x platform of Python, you will be required to go to download files, and here if you're running a Windows machine, you will want to download and install either of these, AMD64 or Windows 32. I'm going to go with Windows 32. Actually, scratch that. I'll show you both. Here you see they've both been downloaded, and when you open them, you're going to be presented with this. You don't want this. What you need is go to Miniconda, which I had opened earlier, and you're going to run this command: pip space install NumPy. Beware that all Python installers and Python itself is case sensitive. You do not want to irritate Python and get an error message that says syntax error or something like that. You'll get frustrated after a point. So I've already downloaded NumPy here, as you can see, and since I've done that, I can just go ahead and show you how it looks in PyCharm. If you've downloaded PyCharm earlier, you can use that. I'll show you where to get PyCharm as well. You can run the same command pip space install NumPy on either of these platforms. It's quite easy. I quite prefer to use Miniconda because it's faster. Here, go to jetbrains.com, and what you want is the basic version, okay, for pure Python development, because this is a free trial and you'll be having to pay for it later. This one is free open source, so it's easy to download.